Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my washi collection. These are some of my washi collection. These are only the rolls. I got some samples as well, but I will do another video for that because I got many samples. I also do swaps and I won this one in a giveaway. Let me just focus it a little bit. Yeah, this one and I think this. How cute is this? I actually just forgot the name of this. I got this in a Disney set where I got some staplers, sticky notes, Alice in Wonderland collection. And let me just show you my washi collection now. This is one of my favorite washi, but it's not the washi, it's a plastic tape, decorative tape. It's little plasticky side. Yeah, this one. And so let me just show you. And this, how cool this one is. I got this in a swap with my friend. If you are not following me, please follow me on Instagram. And how can I not show this one? Pineapple, so cute. I won this in a giveaway on Instagram. And even I love glitter washi. It's a fish scale mermaid, I think. We call it mermaid, I guess. Got very nice color. Blue is my favorite color. And of course, the floral one. Yes. I hardly use this because I don't want to lose this. I try to find this one many times, in my local store where I found this one, but no luck. So I don't want to finish this one. I got one more of this type. I just love washi. I used to actually use in my planner. And I swap a lot, so many washi I swap with my friends. I send them as a sample or even a roll. And these are some of my collection. And this is the Mulang one. But in Mauritius it's very difficult to find all these stuff. But I managed to find this, but yes, it's here. See how sweet, how pretty is this? And this pink color. I got so many washi, but it's all this plastic type of masking tape because in my country it's very difficult to find washi, and whenever I go to mall to find some, I always get this plasticky kind. It's a Paris theme, I think. No, wedding. Wedding. Happy wedding, our special day. I never use this because I'm already married, and when I will use this washi, but it's very pretty, so I kept it. I will swap, definitely swap with my